Hello friends and welcome to GATE Aptitude. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on a question which was asked in GATE 2014. Here the given problem is a man can row at 8 km per hour in still water. If it takes him thrice as long to row upstream as to row downstream, then find the stream velocity in km per hour. So friends, to answer such question, we know speed of the man in still water is 8 km per hour. And what is the speed of still water, that we have to determine. So let us find out stream velocity or water velocity is s km per hour. Now if it takes him thrice as long to row upstream as to row downstream, so if we see the downward speed or downstream speed of the man is 8 and speed of the water is or stream is s, so downward will be 8 plus s because they will be in the same direction. So 8 plus s. It takes time t because downward speed, if it takes t, then upward speed it will be 8 minus s because they are in opposite direction. So upward speed will be 8 minus s and time will be 3t because it takes thrice as long to row upstream as to row downstream. Now we know distance is equal to speed into time. So downward speed, downward time, upward speed, upward time. So distance downward and upward distance, they are same whether he is rowing against or in favor. In both the cases distance are same and distance is speed into time. So it becomes plus s into t is equal to 8 minus s into 3t. If we simplify this, we find 8 plus s is equal to 24 minus 3s. Further simplify it, it becomes 4s is equal to 16 or s is equal to 4 km per hour. So friends, speed of the stream is 4 km per hour. Now thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.